Whirlpool SBS WRS571CIDM01, ice maker arm is stuck in the up position, won't make ice.
When did you last replace your Whirlpool ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
Water filter 2 weeks ago, drained over 4 gallons through water discharge. Fridge is 3 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Checked and cleaned coils. Now have ice maker apart and thawing hour.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Was acting up before changing filter, ice sometimes, but now nothing.
Hello, this is Mark. I'll be assisting you today. Ignore the phone call request pop-ups, unless you want a phone call. Those are automatically sent by the site, not me. You will see them pop up. If you do not want a phone call, ignore them. It is possible that the ice maker arm is broken and will not go down to the on position. If you are not able to get it to the on position, you might need to replace the arm or the ice maker itself. Did you get ice maker back together again? Or is it still thawing?
Hello. Got info on fridge? Thawing. I don't want to force it down, nothing wrong with arm itself, seems internal. That's why I'm thawing, thinking it might be frozen inside. Can I take the ice maker apart?
I gotcha. One moment and I'll return with some info. You can only take apart certain parts of ice maker.
The part with screws on it.
Does this have the ice maker arm on the right of the ice maker part? Or is it on the bottom? Different models have different locations for that.
White plastic arm connected on right side only.
Okay, that's what I thought. You can disassemble ice maker itself. But the internal parts are not replaceable. The ice maker is sold as a complete unit.
Can I be sure that this is the reason for no ice?
That arm for the ice maker is the on and off control for ice maker. If you cannot get the arm into on position, then it's not ever going to turn on and will not make ice again. Sometimes those arms can get stuck and not free up. I suggest you try to force it. If it breaks, then you can replace the ice maker, which you would need to do anyway, if you cannot get arm down into on position. Here is the URL address for the ice maker itself. https://partstra.com/parts/W10873791 ice maker. And yes, the ice maker will not make ice unless that arm is in the on position.
Well, it came down, but might have broken something inside. We'll reinstall and see if it works, and if it will turn off when it's supposed to. Thanks for now. If I have other questions, is there a case number?
Okay. I wish they made these ice makers better, and without a plastic arm. They used to make them with a metal arm, and you could pull them down without fear of it breaking. There is no case number. You can return to this window by using the link in the email to your email address, and ask more questions if needed. Even after rating my service, If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Doesn't affect what you pay at all, just whether or not the site pays me for my time. You can give your rating by selecting one of the 5 stars located on the top right of the question page. Have a great day.
You did great, thanks.
Thanks, help out. How to rate, https://www.justanswer.com/help/how do I rate answer. Feel free to return and ask more questions if needed. I'll be happy to help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.